what's up, man? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today it's a final day it's a finale, basically. It's a finale for Big Brother. SOMIZI is sharing his own opinion about Big Brother finale, and I'm not sure. I don't know. That's SOMIZI loves Thandeka. He loves Liema. We know that, and he's a fan of Liema. But I just wonder how he would feel after the final results tonight. Watch this video and tell me what do you think about what Som is saying here, about his opinion and the criticizes. Let's check.
Today is the day. Today is the day. Today, it's not worth it. Yo, Liema. Hi guys, yo. And the winner is Big Brother. Yo. Oh. Good luck. May the best woman win. Oh, I ain't mind. Guys, South Africa. I need your promote TikTok for at least a month. Oh, comments because yo guys, but anyway, it's not gonna happen.